Hello good people, hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video. So we are going to start with a shopping haul. So let's do this. So let's do the haul with you. We're going to start with fruits, I guess. So we have confirm whether you can see. We have apples. We have white sapota, like I called it last time. We have mangoes. We have oranges. I think I have to bend the camera because I might be assuming you can see and you're not seeing. So we have apples, we have some mangoes, we have white sapota, we have pineapple, we have oranges, and I managed to get bigger onions. Wow, yeah, so I got these onions. Look at how big they are. For 10 bob each. Imagine. Like I said, in my previous shopping, I really didn't get a good deal for the onions. This time I feel I got a good deal. This is really good. Yeah. We also got, this is just an additional mango. We also got butternuts. 2 of them this time. Yeah, so those are the groceries for now. We're going to be adding some more later, so this video will continue. With our shopping haul, I'm going to start with tomatoes. This is a portion of what we got, and we got them at 80 shillings. Then we have bread from Naivas. Then we have tea leaves. Then we have all-purpose flour. Then we have rice. Then we have Sprite soda. Then we have sugar. Okay. Then we got some serviettes. I bought 2 pieces because the double one was more expensive than getting the 2. So we got the 2. Naivas was the cheapest. So that's why we picked it, and it's still good quality. We also picked Naivas tissue. Remember we said tissue from the shop, that specific shop is usually more friendly. We got some kitchen tissue. I didn't know I was buying this one. I've never bought it, but I was just trying. Then we have some yogurt. Then we have Astonish kitchen cleaner. I have not found a cleaner for my cooker, so if you have a better one, let me know. Then we have Dettol. Cool. Then we have hand wash. Then we have some air freshener for my toilet. Yeah. Then we got some gifts. We have bread and lots of milk. There's so many. I don't know if you can see them. There's so many. I think, yeah. And bread. And we bought this big big cabbage, and I think the prices have gone down because this was 100 bob and previously a smaller size was 100 bob. Then we have some ndomas, arrowroots. We got this for, there are 5 pieces of this size for 200, and the sweet potatoes for 200. Yeah. And then we got some bananas. This, in 2 days they will be ripe.
Choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you begun. Feel like that. Feel like that. Shining star, giving, receiving, changing, believing. Only then we could start. Feel like that. Feel like that. You wanna know what's beginning.